educational channel. Teaching learning material are very essential in all the subjects. So especially in maths, to understand the concept or any content, if you want to understand very clearly, these teaching learning materials are very helpful, especially the primary and upper primary children. So in this video, I want to show a model for this material. So this is the two combinations. So you can observe this. This is a number system. So our Indian system and international system. These two systems are combined in the single model, in single material, because at the same time they can see the difference also, especially children. So what is the difference between them and one unit to other unit? What is the changes? So this all we can understand using this model or this project. So let me explain everything in briefly this, how to make to understand this children in very helpful way. So this model is game of place value. So to study the numeration and notation of numerals and number names in two different systems, so we can learn using this. So I will show here in deep. Okay, here is the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Indo-Arabic system, right? And same project on other side, units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So English system. This both the system we can use in the same model. So in two different way we can use this. One is especially for the primary and pre-primary children. We can show them by keeping different beats, and we can ask them to what is the number this. Okay, this is 3 lakhs, and next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in 10,000 thousands. So this is 5, right? So 50 and 6. So 56,000, because this is 5 into 10, because 10,000 this is 50 and this extra 6. So 3 lakhs 56,000 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 400 and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 54. So the number system, to understand in simple way using the difference between units also, we can use this project. And same thing other side is a English system. This is one way. And one more thing is ask them to directly keep the beats. So you can remove all this to other side. And to the child give one number. Okay, if you want to show the English system, give a number, some 3,000, okay, 304,576. Give a number, then ask them to keep the beats on according to this. So for 3, you'll keep here 100,000, so 300. And if you want 312, so one we should keep, and next followed by 2. 3, 1, 2, so 312 thousands. Next 100 tens units. Okay, if you want the same 246, 2, then followed by 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 6 up to here. So easily for rotation we can use this model, very simple, and we can show the difference also just by showing the difference between these two. Okay, this is the two different methods, and by closing this we can show exactly the difference, right? This is one of the simple model for the game of place value. In funny way, by using these game way we can give the children to understand this concept.